start with chapter number 8, Mind Mapping with Freeplane. In this chapter, I will tell you about mind maps. We use mind maps to study our notes, like in classes, whatever we have studied. To recall them, what we make mind maps. So what are these mind maps? I will tell you. Then Freeplane. So let's start with the chapter introduction. First is there is very useful tools that goes beyond the boundaries of world in the world, where it can occasionally be difficult to communicate complicated concepts and facts. So to make these complicated concepts easy, what we use flowcharts. Similar to how single image can convey lot of information. And mind maps are vivid visual aids that clearly summarizes intricate relations, ideas and concepts. So, mind maps. What are mind maps? Mind map is a visual way to organize your thoughts and ideas. These are the visual ways through which we can organize our thoughts and ideas. It starts with central concepts or topic of the page. This might be anything you wish to plan or investigate. From there, you can connect related ideas by drawing lines outwards. Like we have 3 branches. So like this, you can draw lines and every branch points to a new circle or shape when you can jot down and more related information. A web or connection can be formed by this shape if they have branches on their own. The purpose is to illustrate the connection. This is the way we illustrate the connection between the different topics. Now you can see it's a mind map on air and water. So here, air, water. So water is given, here composition of air, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, argon. And here atmosphere, how many layers? We have 5 layers. That is your troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere. Now if we talk about water, impurities and purification. Impurities, we have 2 types of impurities, insoluble, soluble. It is becoming easy to understand the topic. Like soluble, we have evaporation, distillation. Insoluble, we have segmentation, decantation and filtration. If we talk about purification, we do by the 2 methods, that is chlorination and boiling. Now we can easily understand. So with the help of mind maps, we can easily understand the things that we are studying. So mind maps provide a wide range of application to pupils, like recapitulating complex topic, generating ideas, and we are brainstorming. If you are beginning projects or assignments, you can do brainstorm. Now scheduling and task breakdown for a project, putting conceptual linkage into visual form, working together on assignments and projects in groups. When you are working together in assignments or in a groups, using revision, if you like we have an exam which is coming near. So what we use mind map to recapitulate the things. So problem solving by breaking down complex issue, visual aids. It helps to grasp abstract concepts. When you have to grasp only concept at that time, last time. So what we use mind maps for doing this. Applying mapping to foster critical thinking. What you will do, you will apply what? Your critical thinking. Now, among the advantages of mind maps are, what are the different advantages? First is visual organization. The data can be presented in an organized way. Next is enhanced creativity. It will promote more thought and what it will be create a concept of discovery. Now, better memory retention, keywords and images. With the help of keywords and images, we can easily memorize the things. Then, improved understanding, it reduces complexity. Like if we have a paragraph, in a paragraph, it's become very difficult to memorize things. But from here, you can memorize easily. Effective summarization condenses information into concise format. Next is past revive. It enables a simple and efficient topic revision. You can revise the efficient and the simple topic easily. Next is Freeplane. What is Freeplane? It is an open source software tool developed to create and explore mind maps. It is an hierarchical visual representation of information. It is predicted on the idea of Tony Buzan's mind mapping methods, which highlight the application of color, pictures, keyword. And what it encourages creative thinking and retention memories. The software provides digital canvas where user can map out thoughts. Here what you can do, you can map out your thoughts, your ideas, your concepts and foster a deeper understanding. What you can do, you can also foster a deeper understanding on a particular topic which is very hard or which is very complex. Now, key feature of Freeplane. Now I will tell you some key features. For people of all ages and technical skills, Freeplane interface is easy to use. You can easily use this Freeplane whether you are of older age or whether you don't have any life skills. Now, user may easily create, modify and organize nodes inside the mind map. With the help of this, you can simply use drag and drop feature. Then, by personalizing the look of your mind map, user can let their imagination. You can imagine, run wide and provide plethora or customization choices to accommodate individual preferences, ranging from different fonts and characters to font style, color and background theme. Its structure is its central component. Next is nodes are discrete map elements that can stand in on any type of information, whether it's task, whether it's concepts or whether it is ideas. For this, to create links and hierarchies between various nodes, the user can create parent, child and sibling. If you want to make a mind map on a parent, child and sibling nodes, you can make that also. So, users of Freelance can incorporate various media. If you want to add any media also in a mind map, you can add it, right? It improves overall comprehension, allows more comprehensive portal of the data. You can add more data. Now, installing Freeplane. Now, I am telling you the different steps how you can install the Freeplane and then you have to do yourself and you can install it if you want to use it. So, type the URL http://sourceforge.net/project/playplay in your address box. Simply you can go to Microsoft Edge or anywhere you can go and type it. Now click on the download button. Here download button comes, you will download. Simple, you will click on it and then afterwards, once the download is complete, navigate to the location where file was downloaded. You will go to downloads wherever you have downloaded the file and you will open this and like this a license agreement will be there. You have to accept the agreement, then you have to do next. After doing this, you will double click on the file to open and this will initiate installation process. Like this, you will ready to install. You have to install, the selection begins and the wizard will copy necessary and file configure on your computer. Like this, your Freeplane will be installed. Once the installation is complete, a shortcut to launch Freeplane appears on the desktop. Now you have to open, now you will double click and it will open like this. Now you can use it to make a colorful and well organized maps for assignments, research or for creative. And this is the way we use Freeplane to make a mind maps, right? Easy. You can do yourself now. If you want to install it, you have to make the mind maps to devise your things. You can install it in this way. I have told you the different steps. It's very easy. Now we have completed the chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.